Today I will explain the importance of proper container placement on the quiet one and discuss the negative effects of not following these basic instructions. This is the sound reducing centering pad. It has many functions. First, it is a big part of the quiet one sound reduction and vibration reduction process. Next, it is the area the container sits on during the blending process. It also centers the container during the installation and helps maintain alignment between the drive socket and the gear on the blade assembly. The next important part of the blender is the drive socket. It is a connection device that transfers all the blender's power into the container and blade assembly. The placement of the container is very important to the health of the drive socket. The last part I would like to discuss is the gear drive on the bottom of the container. This gear must be correctly aligned with the drive socket to ensure all the blender's power is transferred into the blade assembly. I will show you the correct way to install the container on the centering pad. There are only two ways this can be done. If you are a right-handed operator, you will place the container with the handle facing to the right of the sound cover. If you are a left-handed operator, your container handle should be facing to the left of the sound enclosure. This is important that the container sits on top of the rubber tabs on the centering pad. When the container is correctly installed, the sound cover should close easily with no force or pressure. If you have the container installed incorrectly, the handle will be facing the center of the blender. There is a chance you will destroy the drive socket. This installation must be avoided. If the container is placed in the wrong position, extreme pressure and force will be necessary to close the lid and will destroy the drive socket and will reduce the life of the drive gear on the container. This concludes the container installation process.